Back in September, we caught up with a few companies that have been through our TDAP Accelerator program to hear a bit of feedback from them and learn a little bit more about the cool technology concepts that they're developing. TDAP is an early stage structured accelerator that the APC offer, and it's really a package of support aimed at startups, more mature SMEs or university spin-outs, people who have relatively early stage technology concepts and are in the process of finding their route to market, they're ambitious and they want to accelerate. TDAP includes some grant funding for people to do technology development. It includes mentoring and support from some expert delivery partners. It also includes quite a lot of love from the APC team, and where possible we try to make contacts with people in our industry to help people accelerate and move forward. We've supported 60 businesses through the life cycle of the program so far, and today you're just going to see just a flavour of some of the companies and the exciting concepts they're developing.
About Energy officially started trading in January of this year, and since then we got accepted onto the APC TDAP program, and that's really helped the team target the automotive sector as our first point of commercialization, and the support there has been amazing in terms of really understanding how we understand and penetrate that market as we grow the business.
TDAP funding itself obviously has been very welcome and very important to us, but more importantly, it's very helpful to develop the business because it gives us great professional advice in terms of marketing, communication, finance, business planning, and it helped us really focus our business and help us decide which of the target markets we should be attacking first.
All businesses should be working towards a net zero goal now, and all of them should be achieving that internally. However, the key innovation which comes through the SMEs and the startups, that's really where we should be focusing in terms of bringing these technologies into the market as a mass scale.
It's important for SMEs to address net zero because it allows us to think outside the box a little bit and really approach the problem from a different angle than larger corporates. To accelerate our journey to net zero, I think we need to consider beyond just CO2 emissions and emissions from exhaust. So what we're addressing is non-exhaust emissions, which is tire wear and brake wear.
The TDAP demonstrator program has been incredibly valuable for Enable. It has allowed us to develop the additive casting solution and further drive home the benefits that it can offer customers, from weight savings to performance improvements of components.
Our solution is the world's first solid-state 360 sensor, which means that it can look in the full 360 degrees, and which means that we have to use a lower number of sensors. The sensor itself is very low cost, and then you can replace multiple sensors with one, which is a burning problem in the market right now, as in there are too many sensors on cars.
The main plan for About Energy in 2023 is to launch our software platform, and this platform is called the Vault, which is a battery database where companies can really use algorithms to select the best cell for application, build that cell into system, and then understand how that specific cell works in their application. And typically that's a very expensive and time-consuming process, but with our platform we can really reduce the reliance on testing.
As of this week, we have our powertrain running in a development vehicle on the track. In 12 months' time, we'll be production ready, and we want to have our products in prototypes in partnership with vehicle manufacturers and also with major tier 1 suppliers who could be production partners for manufacturing at high volume.
For 2023, we're looking to scale up our technology and pilots. So right now we're currently running a pilot of 2 vehicles. We're scaling up to 15 vehicles and so on and so forth.
In 2023, we are going to take this product all the way through production. Right now, we are testing this system with our partners in their test vehicles, and then we will take this through the commercialization phases, including product qualification and mass production.
TDAP Wave 7, our 7th cohort, is now open for applications. And part of this year's package is going to be £170,000 grant support. And that includes mentoring and coaching from strategy consultants, investment readiness experts, leadership coaches, new product development engineers, and more, as well as a lot of interaction and a lot of work with our APC team. So if you're an ambitious founder or SME leader that's developing early stage technology or early stage service concepts in the clean mobility space, we want to hear from you. If you feel that you could benefit from this support, please click on the link beneath the video. Please submit your expression of interest as soon as possible to give you access to the application materials, and submit your application by the 1st of February at 12 noon on the dot to see if you could have a chance of being part of our next cohort. And who knows, maybe next year it could be you on our stand at LCV. Thank you.